My name is Aaron. We're going to talk about why your online business is going to crash, burn, and fail. So, as things go, most online businesses, they don't work out over time. I think the statistic that everyone cites is that 50% of entrepreneurial businesses fail in the first 5 years. And I think another 50% of those fail in 10 years. No big deal. The beauty of entrepreneurial businesses is that you can just start them up like nothing, nobody's business. You fail one, you go on to the next. The thing I want to talk about is why what you're going to try right now. So it could be that $297 program you paid money for that'll teach you how to make big bucks on YouTube, or that $5,000 course that you're paying a mentor to listen to. All those things that you're going to try are going to fail. So the main problem that I see in most people is not that they're doing something, how do I put it, exactly wrong. What they're doing is they're not looking at themselves. So what I mean is, let's consider something slightly different. Instead of online marketing, let's consider your day job. You know, that job you go to every day to earn some bucks. Why aren't you successful there? How come you're not climbing the corporate ladder? Was it too hard? Are you going to say that somebody's just against you? Your manager doesn't want you to be promoted? Or are you going to say you don't want to wait that long? For me, I know I can climb that corporate ladder. Hell, I'm doing it every day. The problem is, I don't want to take that much time. It is bullshit. There's too much red tape, too much bullshit, too many games to play. And they're not even fun games. The thing is, it's really hard for me to explain, but I'll try. For example, at my job, I have to make tough calls sometimes. So sometimes that means giving a certain employee under me fewer hours. Sometimes that means doing something outside of what my job is defined as. Sometimes that means coming in on a 6th day of the week or 7th to work to cover a shift or something. It's, nothing crazy. The thing is, I know that out of everyone in my area for the company I work for, I know that in my position, I am the best person, bar none. I know I can do my job great. I can teach other people to do my job. And I can coach, train, and educate other people to do their job better. It's nothing crazy. The reason I can do that is because I can sit there and I can just assess. For example, is it unreasonable for someone to be held to a standard of stocking a certain amount of cases per hour? Is the person I'm looking at set up for success? Or maybe are they just fucking off and not doing their job? Maybe they're focusing on the wrong thing. Rather than going, okay, well, shit, we have to control our losses rather than getting our job done and fucking off and doing something else for somebody else. What I'm trying to get at is one and the same with my reason as to why your business is going to fail. It's because, for example, you have more well wishes than rational thought. And that's what scares the absolute shit out of me right now. So, my, how do I put it, side hustle right now, I'm looking at it and I'm going, well, shit, this isn't working out as well as I thought it would. I'm not getting the views. You know, should I jump to something else? And my answer is no. I'm going to keep at it and keep at it and keep at it. I have an ultimatum. Either A, it makes money, or B, I sell it off and I make some money to invest somewhere else. My next project is going to be easier, which is easy. Nothing bad. The point is I'm building equity in my online, I guess, property. I'm not just going, oh, well, fuck, I'm going to dump some money into it. It's not doing anything, so let's go to the next thing. Fuck it. I've got a plan. I can rationally plan A to B to C to D to all the way down to Y and Z. So the reason your plan is going to fail, your online business plan is going to fail, is because you don't have a strategy. You don't have a plan of action. You don't have a recourse if something goes wrong. And you can say, oh, well, Aaron, I don't give a fuck. That's fine. I'll just pick something else up. I'll try something different, which is great. But let me ask you a question. Before you pick something else and try something different, did you try hard enough? Did you do everything you could to make what you tried work? And I really mean it. Did you do everything? Did you think outside the box? Did you start developing social connections? Did you start contacting people? Did you look at what other people did before? You know, similar shit that you've done. Because there's nothing unique that hasn't been done before. Someone has done something similar. Have you sat down and looked and seen if you can cut your losses? Can you mitigate the amount of money you've spent and maybe even make a profit? You know, like I said, I can always sell my web properties. It's no big deal. But I don't think I'll ever get to that point with this. Not yet. Probably not yet. So the reason your plan is going to fail is because you're not going to make a good judgment. You're not going to make a choice. You're not going to make the choice to make it work. And you're not going to continue until it does. What I outlined earlier with my two goals. Two separate goals, but each one gets me to where I want to go. Two separate paths, one goal. Make some income, sell some shit, build a business. Repeat. The reason your online marketing plan, whatever the fuck you want to call it, isn't going to work is because you don't have that plan. You don't have that drive to make it work. And you haven't thought about everything you can do to make it work. It's almost chilling, the fact that I can sit here and say that now. I know that what I'm doing will work. Because number one, I have the experience. I know it'll work. That's fine. Number two, I can look at other people and what they've done, and I can see how they've made it work. And number three, I know that I can always take my money out of my investment and move it into a different vehicle. No big deal. It's going to be a pain in the ass. It may not be a complete win, but I've gained enough experience that I can make it work. So, what I'm saying about your online marketing plan not working is that it's going to fail because you just don't have it set in stone. You don't know what you're going to do. And maybe you do. Maybe I'm completely wrong. Maybe you've got it handled. Maybe you know what you're going to do. You know your strategy. You know your goals. You know how to reach your goals, and you're going to make it. But if that were true, you wouldn't be watching a bald idiot tell you that you weren't going to make it. Or maybe this bald idiot just said the right thing to make you think so you can figure out how to make it work. Nothing crazy for today's video, so it's just a quick little bit of rambling. I just want you to really think about, are you doing everything you can to make your business ideas work? Are you employing every strategy you can to get that, and I know it sounds stupid, that 4-step model of, what was it? Hook. Let's see, you hook the person, you provide value, you sell, and then you close. Are you using that using everything in your arsenal to make that 4-step process work? Are you? Comment below. Let me know. Let me know what you're doing to make your current online business plan produce some real results. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Peace. Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Give it a like, give it a comment, let me know what you're thinking. And if you're interested in any number of opportunities that will allow you to make money online, visit my website at retail2riches.club, listed below somewhere, or up there, I don't know. And sign up for my email list. I'm going to be giving free content away to my subscribers, and only my subscribers, that I don't publish on this YouTube channel. And you are going to love it. Your wallet's going to love it. You're going to love it. And it might change how you do business online. Thank you.